Welcome to 100-Year Health, a channel dedicated to understanding the human body, healthy living, and the science behind everyday health questions. Have you ever suddenly felt your heart skip a beat? Maybe you were sitting quietly, walking, or even lying in bed when it happened. For a brief moment, your heartbeat feels different. It may feel like a pause, a sudden strong thump, or a flutter in your chest that catches your attention. For many people, this sensation can feel surprising or even a little alarming. After all, the heart is one of the most important organs in the body. When something about its rhythm suddenly feels unusual, it's natural to wonder what just happened. But in many cases, this sensation does not actually mean that your heart stopped or skipped a beat. Instead, it often reflects a small change in the timing of your heart's electrical signals. To understand why this happens, we first need to look at how the heart normally controls its rhythm. Your heart beats because of a natural electrical system inside the heart muscle. At the top of the heart is a group of specialized cells called the sinoatrial node, often referred to as the heart's natural pacemaker. This small cluster of cells produces electrical impulses that travel through the heart muscle. Each impulse triggers the heart to contract and pump blood through the body. Under normal conditions, these electrical signals follow a very steady rhythm. The signal begins in the sinoatrial node, spreads through the upper chambers of the heart, and then travels to the lower chambers. This coordinated pattern allows the heart to pump blood efficiently with each beat. However, the heart's electrical system is incredibly sensitive. Sometimes an extra electrical signal can appear slightly earlier than expected. When this happens, the heart may produce what is known as a premature heartbeat. A premature beat occurs when the heart contracts earlier than the regular rhythm would normally allow. Because this early beat happens before the heart has completely filled with blood, the contraction may feel weaker than a normal heartbeat. Immediately afterward, the heart briefly resets its rhythm. During this short reset, there can be a tiny pause before the next normal heartbeat occurs. That pause is often what people interpret as the feeling that the heart has skipped a beat. In reality, the heart did not skip a beat at all. Instead, it produced an extra early beat followed by a slightly stronger normal beat. That stronger beat can feel like a sudden thump in the chest, which makes the sensation more noticeable. But why does the heart sometimes produce these extra signals in the first place? There are several everyday factors that can influence the heart's electrical activity and make these premature beats more likely to occur. One of the most common factors is stress. When the body experiences stress, the nervous system releases hormones such as adrenaline. These hormones prepare the body for action by increasing alertness, raising heart rate, and making the heart muscle more responsive. While this response is helpful in situations that require quick reactions, it can also make the heart's electrical system slightly more sensitive. This increased sensitivity can occasionally lead to extra electrical signals that trigger a premature heartbeat. Caffeine can also play a role. Caffeine is a stimulant that affects the nervous system. It can increase alertness and temporarily raise heart rate. For many people, moderate caffeine consumption does not cause noticeable heart rhythm changes. However, in some individuals, caffeine can make the heart more sensitive to irregular electrical signals, which may lead to the sensation of a skipped beat. Lack of sleep can have a similar effect. When the body is tired, the balance between the nervous system's calming signals and stimulating signals can shift. This imbalance may slightly increase the chances of small rhythm variations occurring. Another factor that can influence heart rhythm is dehydration. The heart depends on proper fluid balance in the body in order to maintain stable circulation and electrical activity. When the body is dehydrated, changes in electrolyte balance may occur. Electrolytes such as potassium, sodium, and magnesium play important roles in how electrical signals travel through the heart muscle. Even small shifts in these levels can sometimes make the heart more prone to producing extra beats. Physical exertion can also contribute to this sensation. After exercise, the body is adjusting its breathing, circulation, and nervous system activity. During this recovery period, the heart's rhythm may briefly feel more noticeable as the body returns to its resting state. For most people, occasional premature beats are harmless and simply reflect how responsive the heart's electrical system can be. In fact, many people experience these sensations from time to time without even realizing what caused them. But there are also other reasons why the heartbeat may sometimes feel unusually strong or irregular. Another reason people notice the sensation of a skipped or irregular heartbeat is simply increased awareness of their own body. Most of the time your heart beats continuously without you noticing it. Your brain filters out these internal signals so you can focus on the outside world. However, in quiet moments such as when you are resting, sitting still, or lying in bed, it becomes easier to notice subtle changes in your heartbeat. When your attention shifts inward, even small rhythm variations can suddenly feel much more noticeable. This is why some people become aware of heart rhythm changes during the evening or at night when the environment is calm and distractions are minimal. Body position can also affect how strongly you feel your heartbeat. For example, lying on your left side may bring the heart slightly closer to the chest wall. In this position, the movement of the heart can sometimes be felt more clearly, which can make normal beats or small rhythm changes feel stronger than usual. Emotional states can also influence how the heart feels. Excitement, anxiety, or sudden emotional reactions activate the nervous system. This activation can temporarily increase heart rate or make heart contractions slightly stronger. When this happens, the heart may produce beats that feel more forceful or irregular for a short period of time. In many cases, these sensations are brief and harmless. The human heart beats around 100,000 times each day, and small variations in rhythm can occur naturally as the body responds to activity, emotions, and changes in the nervous system. For most healthy individuals, occasional sensations of a skipped or extra heartbeat are simply part of how responsive the heart's electrical system can be. However, the body's signals are always worth paying attention to. If irregular heart sensations occur very frequently, last for long periods, or are accompanied by symptoms such as chest pain, dizziness, or shortness of breath, it may be important to seek medical advice. Understanding how the heart's electrical system works can help remove unnecessary fear and replace it with knowledge about how the body maintains its rhythm. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy learning about the human body and the science behind everyday health questions, make sure to follow the channel for more videos like this. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with someone who might find it useful too. Stay healthy, take care of your body, and see you in the next video. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for medical concerns.